What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Back in my garage. Feels really good to be in front of the camera, in front of you guys again. And I've been compiling parts steadily through the rainy season, and I'm excited, juiced to finally bolt on a full exhaust system onto the daily 04 Matrix XRS. We're going to be running with the PPE race header along with the PPE mid pipe high flow cat, and I'm going to be capping it off with this very special piece. Huge shout out to the XRS 2ZZ community, specifically Jimmy, for helping me procure this piece. A rare discontinued Greddy DT axleback muffler. It's quirky, it's kind of weird with these two pipes, but I think it's really fitting for the character of the Matrix. My character. It's kind of funky, out of place, but that's, you know, how I like it. And huge shout out to Monkey Wrench Racing as well. They had the PPE race header in stock directly off the PPE website. Shipping was about 6 to 8 weeks for the turnaround time, but Monkey Wrench had it on hand, had it to my house within like 3 days. Definitely a good resource. I used them to refresh the 2ZZ a couple years back, and everything's been great so far. The Greddy DT series, or dynamic tune, dual tip, I don't know. It's a chambered muffler, supposed to give us a free-flowing type design with a very distinct exhaust note. And apparently Greddy also sells like these caps to put over the small tip to modify the actual sound of that exhaust note. Granted, I couldn't find any other information on it. It was hard enough finding this. I highly doubt I'll ever see those caps ever, but if you have a line on one, let me know down in the comments. Yo! Okay. It's been a major blunder here. This is not a direct bolted. Alright guys, so if it were easy, everyone would be doing this. But, that's the fun of cars, right? Check this out. There's the flange. There's the OE mid pipe. We got Bluetooth connectivity. Alright, so today's 10-minute install has quickly become an adventure. I love cars. Obviously, I can either keep driving the Celica or the Supra, which honestly isn't really a bad thing, but I do want to hear this start up. So this first setup's gonna be lightweight ghetto. Like I'm gonna go get like a 2 1/4 inch flange, some flex pipe to connect the two pieces. But quick trip to the store, I'll be right back. Alright guys, so obviously major inconvenience, and before I continue, I just want to say that first and foremost, I hold myself to a high-ish standard of work, but sometimes you just got to make something work. I mean, in about 2 weeks, I'm going to be installing this PPE header, and I'm going to weld up a 2 1/2 flange to 2 1/4 inch reducer that'll bolt up to this Greddy muffler. But here is my solution for today, as I need to drive this for like a week and a half. I went to the Forbidden store and I got 2 1/2 inch flex pipe, cut off a portion with my rotary cutter thing, and here's what I came up with. Once again, I don't condone this behavior on anything. I do believe this should be done correctly, but we're gonna get there. I got a 2 1/4 inch flange right here. Ran the flex pipe into a 2 1/2 inch flange with the donut gasket. All right, maybe this is gonna work right now. Let's start it up and see if we have any leaks. Holy crap, it doesn't sound that bad. Let's see if we're leaking at all. Holy shit, it's not leaking. Alright, that was a surprise. I'm gonna tighten everything up a little bit before this gets too hot, and let's take it up for a test drive. Alright, so that was way more than what I intended to do, especially for something that was supposed to be direct bolt-on, but we were able to get it done. This is a quick band-aid. In about 2 weeks, we'll get everything bolted up, everything welded together correctly, full exhaust, full regalia. But I appreciate you guys sticking through this one. Keep driving those slow cars fast. Pass on the left. Oh my god, I'm about to rage.